Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about the perfect outreach method and how you can get your first client in first 10 days. And I'll also be teaching you the system I use to send 100 custom emails daily to get high reply rate. So, if you want this type of result, then do subscribe my channel and I'll be giving you the free sample template. So, this is the result that I've been getting. And usually, I get a reply rate of 5% to 10%. Some days I also got a reply rate of 15%. Let me tell you something first. Nothing comes for free. You've to invest something to get in return. And this might be the cheapest business model, as all the required setup will cost no more than $20. So, to get started, we'll be following this 4-step agenda, and I suggest you take notes for better understanding while implementing. So, the first step is to finalize your niche. You must be knowing that in what niche you're most skilled and have high expertise, because the further 3 steps are based on your niche selection. For example, my niche is social media management and I manage YouTube channels. I manage everything from the scripts to the final upload of the content, including all the SEO work. You must know what's your niche, your audience, and the service you're going to provide them. Now, here's the time for step 2. After deciding the niche and the audience in step 1, you'll now buy a domain. I know many of you will not be in favor to buy the domain, but real marketers know how important it is to own a domain. Listen to this. You'll be working with highly professional clients, and for them to read your emails, you must require a mail ending up with your domain and not with @Gmail. Buying a domain will not cost you more than $10. You can also go for .in or .online domains, as these respective domains are cheaper than .com. You can buy these domains from either GoDaddy or Hostinger. After buying the domain, make sure to buy the professional email too. This process will not cost more than $15. After buying your domain and finalizing your niche, let's continue to step 3. In this step, you'll find your audience's emails. This depends on what type of service you are providing to what type of people. For example, I extract YouTube channel emails from an email extractor tool. There are multiple tools for multiple functions. Whether you want to extract from the website, Google page, or LinkedIn, you'll get a variety of tools online. I use this email extractor for extracting the emails of the YouTube channel from this website. This tool and website save a lot of my time and effort just by giving me the channel's emails automatically, from which I can copy and can send through my system. Now let's continue to the last and most important step, which is to set up the system to send 100 plus custom emails on a daily basis. For this, you first have to copy and paste all the emails into the Excel sheet. Then you has to select all the emails at once and select the data from the top of the window and select text to columns. Now follow my settings. And at the end, press finish. Now go to Google and search Google Sheets Mail Merge. Open the website, scroll down and click Make the Copy. Now, the further steps are a little complicated, so make sure you must follow each step. Now on Google Sheets, you must search for the app script and scroll down until you find your email here. Now add it the same way I am doing. Now you're done with the Google Sheets setup. After this step, go to your Gmail account, click on the compose icon and make your template. Now write your subject line according to your niche and paste this on the subject line. You can also edit the template just like the subject line. Now save them as a draft in your email account. Now paste the names and emails from the Excel to the Google Sheets. Now click the mail merge icon from the top and paste the subject line into this section. Then click continue and just wait for the process to happen. Now you can see here that all the emails have been sent completely and you'll get replies very soon. And now is the time for bonus suggestions. So guys, before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel. You must create some more templates, and I suggest you do introduce yourself first and ask permission to further explain your service or product to your client, as this looks kind and genuine greeting. Your second mail should be all about your service and your expertise. You must explain everything. What will you do and how will it affect their business? You must be ready with your samples and demos, and for that, you must give free demos to your clients, just like 10 days or 5 days of free service to gain the trust of the clients, and the case studies to show as expertise to your further clients. The main and most important point is to provide the value proposition, because the whole business is only based upon the value proposition and problem solving. So the conclusion is that if you're just starting up, then you can begin with this method, as you will gain more exposure to what are the requirements of the clients and can improvise your quality and price. So guys, if you loved the video, then please do subscribe and comment down your questions.